Reality is something we all live in, but how often do we stop and ask, who decides what's real? Think about money for a moment. A piece of paper, or even numbers on a screen, has value only because we collectively agree that it does. Without that shared belief, it's just paper or pixels. This idea that reality is shaped by our shared understandings sits at the heart of the sociological concept known as the social construction of reality. Peter Berger and Thomas Luckman, in their 1966 book, The Social Construction of Reality, argued that reality isn't simply out there waiting to be discovered. It's built through human interaction. They described three key processes: externalization, objectivation, and internalization. First, people create meanings and practices. Over time, these practices take on a life of their own and feel objective, as if they've always existed. Finally, new generations internalize them as natural and unquestionable truths. History gives us countless examples. Consider the concept of race. In medieval Europe, differences between people were seen primarily in terms of religion or class. The modern idea of race as a biological hierarchy only emerged during the colonial period and the rise of scientific racism in the 18th and 19th centuries. What began as a way to justify slavery and imperialism eventually became common sense. Today, sociologists like Eduardo Bonilla-Silva analyze how racial categories still shape social realities, not because they are biologically fixed, but because they are socially constructed and reinforced through institutions. In the modern world, digital technology creates new realities every day. Social media likes and followers have become forms of currency. The blue checkmark on Instagram or X isn't inherently valuable. It only carries meaning because society collectively recognizes it as a marker of status and credibility. Just like money, its power comes from shared belief. Understanding the social construction of reality helps us see that the world isn't fixed. What seems permanent, laws, traditions, identities, even economies, are products of human agreements that can change. That insight is powerful because it means inequality, stereotypes, or harmful norms are not destiny. They were constructed, and they can be reconstructed. If you found this video thought-provoking, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and help me grow. The more support I get, the more I can create videos like this for you, breaking down complex ideas in sociology and connecting them to our everyday lives. So hit subscribe, leave a comment with your thoughts, and let's keep building knowledge together.